Everyone, my friend just curious about what inside my bag. So before that, I will start. I will show you the bag that my friend gave me, which is Vince Camuto. Branded siya siguro kasi masyadong maganda siya at talagang meron pa siyang logo. Okay. Ito ang laman ng aking bag. First, dito muna sa red pouch, which is mga protective ko dahil sa COVID-19. So, alcohol, madaming alcohol, plus may sanitizer pa, and then cologne from Angel's Breath, water for my diffuser, lotion, Ted Baker cologne, and then intimate wipes pag kailangan, emergency. And then next is another pouch wherein all my oils are here. My favorite oils: rosemary, white angelica, digice, bergamot, and then meron pa ako dito sa kabila. Oops! And then yun. After that, merong Mentos, Kagi, and then Young Living diffuser. Yan, dyan ko siya nilalagay yung oil kapag napapagod na ako. Tapos yung eyeglass ko, Vogue. Another Kagi. Ang daming chocolate. And then meron akong pouch para sa lalagyan ng face mask ko. And then mga emergency kit. Plus yung aking wallet. And taran! Bigay sa akin ng habibi ko dahil International Women's Day daw na super bango. Arabic perfume siya kaya super strong. Amoy siya ng Tom Ford. And then, eto po. May prayer journal. And then, intercessory prayer book na palagi ko siyang kasama. And then, my car keys. After that, meron din po ulit another face mask. Pamaypay na hindi nawawala sa bag ko. And then, Starbucks. Personal diary. Yep. Andyan lahat. And then, ano pa? Uy, merong sneakers. Daming chocolate. And then, small book from AJ Potpot. And then, ito po siya. Yan po yung lalagyan ng lahat ng aking mga borlogay. Thank you. Yun lang po.